for Wujuin are unusual for this period of history.
Hi, my name is Jessica King, and I have a little Etsy shop called JK Cute and Creepies. If you're interested in any of the dolls, the link will be down below in the description. I just wanted to let you see some of the things I've been working on this weekend, or week. I've basically been putting together a body using different fabric scraps here. Actually, this shirt here is something that was recently donated to me by Tony. Thank you, Tony, for the shirt. I'm using some of the rocket fuel, rocket fabric here on the top. I have a velvet here. I love velvet. And then I'm making velvet little shoe feet. I still have yet to create the ears and the arms. Not quite sure where I'm going to go in that direction. I basically have been just putting it together here and there and going with whatever fabric I actually feel like at the time. So it could be quite colorful by the end. I hope everyone's having a super duper week, and take care and see you next week. Bye. Everything we do here at 5 Minute Hour is anti-algorithm. Help us keep it that way by joining us on Patreon.